Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Airtel number and that you control the registered account. This avoids failed transactions. Once done, open the Airtel Thanks app and sign in. The app presents current plan details first, so check validity and benefits. Make sure your preferred payment method, wallet, UPI, or card, is set up for one-tap checkout. If the app asks for OTP, enter it promptly to proceed. This prepares you to select upgrade options right away. You now tap Plans or Recharge and look specifically for upgrade or change plan options. The app shows recommended and full lists. Compare plans side by side, data allowance, validity, voice benefits, OTT subscriptions, and price, because a slightly higher price can give much more value. Once you pick a candidate, check prorated charges if switching mid-cycle and any eligibility constraints. If unsure, preview benefits and total cost before confirming. This prevents surprises at checkout. You finalize by reviewing the INR charge, any prorated refund, and the new validity start date. Confirm these are acceptable. Then complete payment using the prelinked method. Once paid, expect an immediate confirmation SMS and the new plan visible in the app. If the upgrade does not reflect, clear app cache or force close and reopen. If still unresolved, call Airtel support with your transaction ID. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.